Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to drive through Porus, and Porus is a small town in Manchester, and we're driving into Porus now. We have to navigate these potholes, but it's all good. Porus is not a town as large as Clarendon or Mandeville, but it's a smaller town, but it's very popular. I mean, it's on the main road between Clarendon and Manchester. It's actually the largest town between the two. So it has a police station, it has a lot of schools, a lot of restaurants, gas stations, but nothing major. I mean, it's more like a residential. It's like the town is built around the homes and things to facilitate the persons living here, but it's mostly a stopover between Clarendon and Mandeville. So if you need to do, say, a tax office or a hospital, you would go either to Clarendon or Mandeville. But if you want, it's like the suburbs basically, but it's very built up, as you can see. But it's mostly residential. It doesn't have any major draw more than people live here and then they go and work in Mandeville or Clarendon or Maypet. Has churches. Well, everywhere in Jamaica has churches. Porus High School on the right. This is the Porus Police Station on the left. It's a very nice town. This is like what people refer to as country in Jamaica. Very peaceful and very nice place. But it's a small community. Alright, so we're driving out of Porus now. Now, when you drive out of Porus, you're going to go on to the Winston Jones Highway or the Melrose Hill bypass. So basically, you would have to go through Melrose Hill, but a bypass was built, and that bypass was later renamed the Winston Jones Highway. And it's also a bypass. Well, maybe somebody could leave a comment in the section below, but I know there's the Melrose Hill bypass and I know there's a Mandeville bypass to bypass the actual town. So Winston Jones Highway, I don't know if when you say Winston Jones Highway you refer to which one of those bypasses, but or is it the entire road that's considered the Winston Jones Highway? So if anybody knows for sure, you can leave a message in the comment section. Okay, now you see where that white car is coming from? That's where, when you take the Melrose Hill area, that's where you come out. So we're now going on to the Winston Jones Highway according to that sign. But this is also known as the Melrose Hill bypass, because you don't have to go through over Melrose Hill anymore. This was a bypass that was built. Now the highway is going to run across this road, because the highway runs from Clarendon to Williamsfield. So a bridge is being built to facilitate the highway going across this road. So if you notice, there are no cars coming down because the traffic has been blocked off at Williamsfield, and that traffic actually is detoured into, okay, I'm assuming this is where they're going to build because the road is blocked. This is where they're going to build a bridge, but I don't see any. Actually, this is where they're going to build a bridge, because that's the highway there on the right. So the traffic coming down has been detoured to go through Melrose Hill, and this is the construction basically of the. Okay, now this car is not supposed to be doing this. I mean, the indiscipline on this road is amazing. So basically, this is where they're going to build a bridge or whatever overpass. So that's the highway there on the right, and at this stoplight now the highway is on the left. You see where that truck is coming out? I'm not sure if you can see. Okay, so basically that's where the construction is taking place, and the traffic has been detoured coming down. When you're coming down, you have to actually go through Melrose Hill, which was actually the original route of the road before. Well, it was the main route of the road before this bypass was built. So the section we are on now is going to bypass Melrose Hill. Okay, so if you look on the right, you can see the highway, and this is the section that runs to Williamsfield. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.